Looking for two easy and delicious recipes that you can prepare in no time? Today, we're making chicken fried rice with egg and a refreshing pineapple delight dessert. Let's start with our chicken fried rice. Heat some oil in a pan and prepare your Taipei chicken fried rice according to package instructions. In a separate pan, fry an egg until the yolk is just how you like it. Slide that egg right on top of your steaming fried rice for a protein boost. Now for dessert, the pineapple delight. Mix 2 cups of graham cracker crumbs with half a cup of melted butter. Press half the mixture into an 8x8 pan. In a bowl, cream together half a cup of butter, 1½ cups of powdered sugar, and an egg. Spread this over your crust. Next, whip some heavy cream and fold in a can of well-drained crushed pineapple. Layer this pineapple mixture on top and sprinkle with the remaining crumbs. Chill before serving, and there you have it. A savory meal and a sweet treat, both incredibly simple and satisfying. Enjoy! Looking for a quick and tasty meal tonight? Try our easy chicken fried rice with egg. Start with 1 package of Taipei chicken fried rice. Heat it in a frying pan with a little butter or oil until hot and fragrant. In a separate pan, fry an egg just the way you like it. Slide the egg right on top of your rice for that perfect finish. And for dessert, how about some pineapple delight? Start by mixing 2 cups of graham cracker crumbs with a stick of melted butter. Press half of this mixture into an 8x8 pan to form a crust. In another bowl, cream together 1 cup of powdered sugar and another stick of butter. Beat in 1 egg, then spread this sweet layer over your crust. Finally, whip up 1 cup of whipping cream and fold in a can of well-drained crushed pineapple. Spread it on top, sprinkle with the remaining crumbs, and chill before serving. 2 easy recipes for a delicious day. Today, we're making 2 easy recipes that together make the perfect meal: a quick chicken fried rice and a delicious pineapple delight dessert. Let's start with the chicken fried rice. This version is super fast and uses simple ingredients you probably already have. You only need 1 package of chicken fried rice and 2 fresh eggs. That's it for the main dish. Cook the fried rice according to the package. It's already packed with chicken, rice, and vegetables. While the rice is cooking, fry 2 eggs until the whites are set, but the yolks are still a little runny. Spoon the hot chicken fried rice onto a plate and top it with the beautiful fried eggs. The runny yolk mixes with the savory fried rice, pure comfort in every bite. Now for something sweet to finish the meal: pineapple delight. This creamy layered dessert uses simple ingredients: graham cracker crumbs, butter, powdered sugar, eggs, whipping cream, and crushed pineapple. First, mix graham cracker crumbs with melted butter and press it into the bottom of an 8x8 pan. Bake the crust for 15 minutes until lightly golden. Next, cream butter and powdered sugar, add eggs, and spread this creamy layer over the crust. Bake again for 30 minutes, then let it cool completely. Whip the cream and gently fold in well-drained crushed pineapple. Spread the pineapple cream over the cooled base for the final delicious layer. Serve this pineapple delight in glasses or cups. Together with the chicken fried rice, you have a complete, easy, and satisfying meal.